If you need to reduce a video's size on your Mac, it's quick and easy. Whether it's a .mov or .mp4 file that's getting too large, here's what to do. First, find your video file, for example, sample.mov. Right-click on it and choose Open within QuickTime Player. Once it's open in QuickTime, click on File in the menu, then select Export As. Here, instead of keeping the highest resolution, like 1080p or 4K, choose a lower one, such as 720p. This will significantly reduce the file size. You'll be prompted to rename the new file. For example, you might call it Sample2 and choose a save location. After you start the export process, QuickTime will compress the video. Once done, you'll have a new, smaller version of your video. Visually, the quality difference is often minimal, especially when downsizing from very high resolutions like 4K. This method is great for saving space without losing much quality. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.